Hi kids, I'm Kev from Taupō District Libraries, and today we're going to look at some famous astronomy words, the vocabulary. And today's special word is... Let's get started, shall we?
Galileo was a famous Italian astronomer. He was a rock star of the 16th century. He was born in Italy in a place called Pisa, not pizza. To be born in Pisa, that would be fun but weird, but no, he was born in Pisa. Yes, the place with the famous tower on a tilt. He was the eldest child named after a professor, and his sister married the ambassador of Tuscany. Galileo had a big bushy beard, the kind that, if you looked at him, appeared like he was looking at you from over a hedge. He was a brilliant mathematician who never married. When he was 69, that was at the age when his back went out more than he did, he was imprisoned for 6 months trying to prove that the Earth rotated around the Sun, not the other way around, which was believed at the time. Imagine him being in prison for that, all the other convicts around him saying, "I'm in here for stealing and burning things. Jim over there, he's in there for murder. What about you, Galileo? What are you in here for?" "Oh, I just said the Earth goes around the Sun." He helped develop the telescope and made objects 9 times larger and discovered Saturn had rings. In astronomy, Galileo is a rock star.